Happy fall and happy Friday, guys. I'm feeling very calm and very serene today. It's starting to get chilly out, my mood's leveling out. I just feel pretty chill. So today I feel like making a big pot of chili. And I feel like there are a million ways to make chili. You can't really mess it up. So today I'm just gonna show you how I make mine. So I'm really excited today because I have a lot of fresh vegetables that I get to put in here. So I'm gonna start by heating up some olive oil. And then I have this fresh green pepper, fresh yellow tomato, and I guess just a regular tomato that we got from Jordan's dad. I had some leftover sweet onion that I need to use up. And then I have the last of the jalapeno that I'm gonna be getting from our garden this year. So I'm gonna chop all this up and throw it into the pan along with an entire package of Impossible plant-based ground. So I don't know if anyone else is like this, if it's just me, but I swear as soon as fall hits, it's just like these ending months of the year, I just mellow right out. All my veggies and my meat substitute is in now, so I'm going to salt and pepper everything. And I'm looking at the ingredients I have left to add, and I'm looking at this pot that's already half full, and I'm thinking I might have to grab another pot. Now we're gonna start adding everything else in, and this is what I love about chili. It's so easy. You just dump and let it simmer, and then you're good, and then you have dinner, and it's super cozy. Oh my gosh, love it. So I'm gonna be adding in, even though I added tomato, I'm gonna be adding in a can of diced tomato. Next, I'm gonna add in a small can of tomato paste. Next, I'm gonna be adding in 1 can of Campbell's tomato soup. And don't worry, we'll be getting to the chili part here soon. Now comes the good stuff. So I have a very large can here of Brooks Quick Chili Mix. Oh, what the hell? Gross. Next, I have a can of mild red chili beans. A can of mild mixed chili beans, so this is kidney and pinto beans. And finally, I have a 16-ounce can here of Bush's vegetarian baked beans. And this is something that my mother always used to put in her chili, and it just adds like that perfect sweetness. Oh, it's so good. And then to flavor this, I am going to sprinkle it with a little bit of chili powder. And now I'm gonna stir everything up really, really well and make sure everything's really well incorporated. And then I'm gonna put the burner on low heat and just kind of let everything set together, you know? Let the flavors combine and any of the vegetables cook down a little bit more. Ah, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna leave these uncovered and let them do their thing, and I will see you in a bit. And I'm back, and I have this huge bowl of chili. I'm so excited. It smells so wonderful. I'm just gonna take a bite. I'm ready. I love chili so much. It's been about a year, I think, since I've made it, so this is so nice. All right, guys, and that was all I had to share with you today. So I'm gonna take my chili, I'm gonna go cozy up somewhere and enjoy it. If you enjoyed this week's recipe, I really hope that you'll leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me feel like I'm actually doing a good job. If you're new here and you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I really wanna see this channel grow. Honestly, it would just be the best thing in the entire world. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around. Bye. Bye.